welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna start a brand new sale, the 2-is-1 sale. So let's see what I got for you. Okay guys, let's start this brand new year with a big sale. I'm gonna give you a 2-is-1 sale, and you can use it for everything. So I'm gonna tell you what. So if you like to use my kits, then you can use a 2-is-1 sale. Buy 2 kits and choose 1 extra kit for free. So you will receive 3 kits, but you only buy for 2. And that is the same thing if you only want to use paper sets. Buy 2 paper sets and choose 1 extra for free. So you receive 3 paper sets. But if you only want to use my printable sets, then you also can choose, you can buy 2 printable sets and choose 1 extra for free. So you will receive 3 printable sets sending through your email. So can you mix it? Nope. That's only the one thing that I say no to. It's 3 kits, 3 paper collections, or 3 printable sets. That's the easiest way. Alright, so just send me an email if you want to use this sale. I am watching you. I am working on a new project, so soon there will be a new project online. If you want to wait for that, that is perfect. Absolutely, you can. But if you want to use this sale, then just order it and I will have your reservation for you, because the stock is running out. And if I can't promise, if you're going to wait for the next project and then order what you like to have for the sale thing, then I can't promise that I have everything. So if you want to use, if you have a certain collection that you definitely want to have, then just send me an email and pre-order your sale. And then you can see my new project. And if you don't want to have my new project, then you always can change it, your order. But for the things that you definitely want to order, just send me an email, guys, and pre-order it, and I have your reservation. So you just can do that. And if you also want to pay in different time zones, that's also no big deal for me. Just send me an email, guys. Ask me anything. The email is to be found under every video below the description box. So please find it out. And what my email is, just ask me everything. If you can pay in certain times, if you want to have a pre-order and put some reservation on, everything is possible with me. Just ask me. Ask me everything. I will see you in my email. See you soon. Bye bye.